Sunday morning, the fog lifts slow to the hum of engines from years ago. Down by the river where the folks all know, it's the Beaver Valley Antique Show. With a Seagull 205A, that old rangefinder, capturing scenes with a timeless reminder. Aerocolor film loaded, ready to go, chasing the light where the memories flow. Rows of red farm all shiny and proud, their engines roaring, drawing a crowd. Grandpas in flannel, grannies grinning wide, it's a dance with the past on this countryside. Flick up a shutter, a soft winding sound, a moment Aerocolor, vivid and profound, capturing tractors in a golden hue. Every frame a story, every snap rings true. From the leather strap I lift the view, the lens catching light like morning dew. A rusty old pickup in the camera sight, captured forever in Aerocolor light. But snapshots of stories of toil and grace, the Seagull 205A holds time's embrace. From the fields of yore to this Sunday fair, through the film and lens I'm standing there. So here's to Sundays and the way we remember, the smell of oil and a cool September. Seagull in hand, every click, every gleam, at Beaver Valley where we live our dreams.